Hello, my friend. Welcome to TalkBoost English. Today, we will begin a peaceful journey. A journey of learning, a journey of discipline, and a journey of simple, clear English. Please relax, take a gentle breath, and enjoy this story. Our lesson today is called The Path of Discipline. Let us begin slowly. This is the story of a young woman named Emma. Emma lived in a small, quiet town. She worked in a little bookstore filled with old books, soft lights, and the warm smell of paper. Emma had a dream. She wanted to speak English with confidence. She wanted a better job. She wanted to travel the world. She wanted to grow. But Emma had a problem. She could not stay focused. She started learning English many times, but she stopped again and again. One evening, while closing the bookstore, Emma found an old journal hidden behind the counter. The first page said, in gentle handwriting, "Your destiny begins with your discipline." Emma felt something inside her, something warm, something hopeful. It felt like a message for her. And from that moment, her life began to change. That night, Emma sat at her small desk. She opened her journal and wrote a promise. She wrote, "I will learn English for 15 minutes every day. No excuses, no breaks, no giving up. Not 1 hour, not a big plan, just 15 gentle minutes. A small promise to build a new habit." The first week felt simple. Emma woke up early. She made a warm cup of tea. She opened her notebook, and she listened to easy English lessons, slowly. She felt proud. She felt calm. She felt hopeful. But discipline is always tested. And Emma's test came soon. By the second week, Emma became very busy. The bookstore had a big sale. She worked extra hours. She felt tired. Her body felt heavy. That night, she looked at her notebook and whispered, "Maybe I should skip today. Maybe one day doesn't matter." But then she remembered the words in the journal. Your destiny begins with your discipline. So Emma opened her notebook, and she studied English for 15 quiet minutes. When she finished, she smiled softly. I did it, even on a hard day. That night, she learned, discipline grows when life is difficult. Emma decided to challenge herself. She said, "For 30 days, I will not miss a single day." And the challenge began. On day 5, she felt lazy, but she studied. On day 12, she had a headache, but she studied. On day 17, heavy rain echoed outside, but she studied. On day 23, her friends invited her out. She left home early and studied before going. Every day, Emma kept her promise. She did not break the chain, not even once. Slowly, very slowly, studying became easier. Emma's English improved. Her confidence grew. Her mind became stronger. But something deeper happened. Emma began to trust herself, to believe in herself, to respect herself. She realized, when I keep my promises to myself, I become powerful inside. Her discipline was no longer only about English. It became a part of who she was. One afternoon, a tourist walked into the bookstore. He was from Canada. He asked Emma to help him find a book. For the first time, Emma spoke English calmly, slowly, and confidently. The tourist smiled. He said, "Your English is very good. Thank you." Emma felt warm inside. All her small daily efforts had led to that moment. And she understood. Discipline creates opportunities that motivation cannot. A month later, Emma applied for a new job. A bigger bookstore in a bigger city. During the interview, she spoke clear English. She answered every question with confidence. 1 week later, she received an email. "Congratulations, Emma, you are selected." Her eyes filled with tears, not because of the job, but because she had changed. She had become stronger, more focused, more disciplined. Now, my friend, it is your turn. Maybe you want to speak English better. Maybe you want a new job. Maybe you want a better life. You do not need perfection. You do not need motivation every day. You do not need long hours. You only need discipline. Start with 10 minutes of English, a small habit, a simple promise. Small steps every day create big results. Just like Emma, you can write your own destiny. Thank you for listening to this gentle story from TalkBoost English. I hope it inspires you to stay disciplined, stay steady, and continue learning English one small step at a time. You are strong. You are capable. Your future begins today.